All right. What is this? Sounds like we have a delivery. Ooh. Car parts or nudie magazine day? I believe it is car parts. Sweet. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Hot Wheels Dad. And what do we have here? This package arrived today, and you guys all know it. You guys all know what I've been waiting for. I've been waiting on the Corsa Performance from Summit Racing resonator delete for the F150. There it is. First look, I want you guys to see it with me. Right. What does it look like, boys? Stop. Installation instructions here. All right. We'll get to that. Corsa Performance sticker. All right, boys. There it is. This bad boy is supposed to give me the sound that I want out of my Corsa Sport exhaust. I know it's a simple piece, but there it is. All right, I will see you guys underneath the truck. Here we go. That's it. Should be a pretty straightforward install from what they say. But here goes nothing. I say loosen these bolts first. I tested it with my hand to see if it was still hot. I just got home from work. It's a little warm, but it's not too bad. I don't think it'll burn me. Transmission might be a little warm though. Alright, that's a little loose. There's no, it's up in the hanger good. Alright. Looks like I got to replace these. I have to replace these existing bolts with these bolts provided in the kit. So I'm going to take these all the way out. That's loose. Let's keep that socket here. That should be the one. Now, it says just to loosen this one. I don't want to. I don't want to. We'll completely take this one off as well. Alright guys, got the stock resonator off. It was a little bit of a difficult task, but took some elbow grease and was able to get it off. I loosened the bolts up front first and then came to work on the back. I did have to remove the Corsa exhaust from this hanger right here and kind of finagle it out of its spot, but it ended up coming off. So let me go grab the resonator, delete, and get it installed. Get this back on here. Alright, let's get it up here first. Rest it on there. There we go. There's that. Let's get this hanger back. Get this hanger back on. Oh, it's much easier. Everything's nice and tight. Looks good too. It's much better. Here it is, all up and installed. Still got to tighten the bolts a little bit, but it's up there. looks good. I had to pull forward this a little bit to get it to go as deep as possible on here, but everything looks good. Get you guys a cold start right now. Enjoy. All right, boys. Here is the first cold start on the Corsa Extreme Exhaust. Ready? I'm out for a little spirited drive with the new Corsa Extreme Exhaust. I have the windows up right now, so I wanted you guys to hear what it sounds like with the windows up. Alright guys, you can see it's much louder. I do have the windows down, but oh, I'm so happy with it. Sounds so freaking good. Alright guys, there you have it, the Corsa Extreme Exhaust installed on the F150. It sounds so good. Just took it out for a quick drive. Heard the amazing exhaust tone coming from it. I'm excited to get it out on the street tomorrow morning and hear how it sounds. So once again, thank you for tuning into Hot Wheels Dad. Appreciate you guys checking my videos out. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, peace.